From the app, just like your loan officer, you can have access to the built-in mortgage calculator. Start by choosing the desired calculator type, and then the specific type of loan. By adding in the values that best reflect your own situation, you can get a picture of a loan scenario that works best for you. You can get a feel for what your loan may look like as far as the estimated monthly payment details, and the breakdown of all the payments throughout the entire term of the loan. Anyone who uses this calculator may also save a calculation by using the Save button in the upper right-hand corner and giving the scenario a name. Or you may also share the results easily by sending a PDF file with all the loan details. This 2-page PDF file will contain a full breakdown of the loan scenario that was created. Plus, it will have the loan officer's contact information across the top of the page.